Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon I. And in this lesson, we'll continue the series of videos that we've been starting, covering the topic les préfixes et les verbes. And in this video, we'll concentrate on the verb paraître. So this is the meaning of paraître, and the idea is that, of course, when we're talking about les préfixes, we will add few letters in front of paraître, and by adding these letters, we'll change the meaning of the verb. Okay, so let's see. The first one will be apparaître. Apparaître. And you've got here the translation in English. Disparaître. Disparaître. Reparaître. Reparaître. And you get a translation right here. And this is it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. I'm also on Facebook, so you can click on like if you want. And then more material can be found right here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.